Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix notifications not working in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to power on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Make sure your Windows 11 system is completely ready before we begin adjusting any settings, as this ensures all system processes are running properly in the background. Once your PC is up and running, we're going to dive straight into the settings that control your notifications. Start by clicking on the Windows Start menu, which you'll find on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. This is the central hub for accessing all your applications and system settings. When the Start menu opens up, go ahead and type Settings directly into the search bar. This will quickly pull up the Windows Settings application without you having to browse through multiple menus. Press Enter to launch the Settings menu. Once the Settings window appears, you'll see several categories displayed. Look for and click on System Settings. This section contains all the core configuration options for how your computer operates and displays information. It's where most of the essential Windows features are controlled. Now, direct your attention to the left side panel of the system settings. Here you'll find a list of subcategories. Scroll through this menu until you locate Notifications and Actions and click on it. This is the specific area where Windows manages how and when notifications appear on your screen, making it the key location for fixing notification issues. Within the Notifications and Actions menu, look for an option called Focus Assist Settings and click on it to access these controls. This feature is actually quite important because it determines which notifications are allowed to break through and appear on your screen. Focus Assist is designed to filter notifications so that only priority items come through during certain times or activities. Here's where we fix the issue. You'll see the Focus Assist option with a radio button next to it. Make sure to turn this option completely off by clicking on that button. What this setting does when it's enabled is restrict notifications to only priority items and alarms, which means you might be missing out on a lot of important updates and alerts from your apps. By turning Focus Assist off, you're allowing all notifications to come through, including minor ones that you might actually want to see. This is often the main reason why notifications seem to stop working in Windows 11, as the system is simply filtering them out rather than displaying them. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your notification settings and should now start receiving all your alerts properly. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.